So you can see here an white EST Genesis speaker strobe. This is a white EST Genesis speaker strobe, and if you look over there, you can see another one, just like the one that's right behind me over here now. However, if you go down here and look right here, that right there, it's a brand new LED Genesis speaker strobe. Let's go take a look at that. And here it is, the brand new EST Genesis LED speaker strobe. And of course right there you can see another normal one. That's the normal one where I just was at the beginning. There's another normal one and another normal one. So yeah, this LED one that's behind me here is a new replacement for those. But there's a lot of failures in this building. I will show you right now. And when I say a lot of failures, I mean a lot of failures. For one, here on the 4th floor breezeway, you will see inside this cover, this one is falling off the wall behind its weatherproof cover. Additionally, there is a missing exit sign, which is how I know it's missing exit sign. Exit sign, exit sign, exit sign, exit sign, exit sign. But then here, nothing, just some dangling wires. Here's a better look at this damaged Genesis speaker strobe here. You can see the wires are exposed behind it and it is falling off. It is only held in place by this weatherproof cover. I am now on floor 6. What is this? There is nothing here. So if the one I just showed you is bad enough, this one is even worse. There is not even any device in here. Look at that, it's completely missing. It's gone. There's only the mounting bracket behind it. See, that's the mounting bracket where the fire alarm would be, but it's missing. So that's a problem. Thankfully, we do have an exit sign on this floor. Let's take a look at the next failure. So first, these are the majority of the pull stations in this building. Yeah, they were up here, but ADA mandate put them here. So yeah, at some point they were relocated, but this is what they have. Got the glass rod, it's the EST 270 SPO. We all are familiar with this pull station. So that's what you need to know. Now take a look at the failure. Okay, so this is obviously not a 270 SPO, which we're all familiar with, but what the? See what I mean? I'm on the 10th floor. Look at that, it's completely broken. And you see that right there? This metal plate is snapped. Look on the back there. See that? It's broken. That is really bad. And look at this. I literally just now realized this. This speaker strobe here has the same problem as the one on the 4th floor. Look at how it's coming off the wall there. And it's only held in place by this cover. That's the problem with it. Exit sign still looks good, but we gotta see another failure. That is probably the worst one yet. Floor 11. This is probably the worst one. Oh, look. This one is branded by General Electric. That's pretty cool. That's not the failure, though. This is the failure. Look over here. Another completely missing fire alarm, but there's not even a mounting bracket there. There's just an empty hole and wires. There, you can see if you can see that in there. Completely empty back box. That is a fire alarm fail. That cover is also really dirty too. So even if there was one in there, the strobe output is not really gonna do much, but look at that. And it's all been capped off. You can see the wires. There's wire nuts on there. Look at that. That is terrible. Look, you can actually see, there is one in there. There is one in there. There is one in there, and there's one in there, but this one is just completely gone. And the good news is that there are no other fire alarm fails that I know of right now. This 270 SPO is crooked, but it's on there pretty good. At least it looks like it. I'm not gonna touch it, but it looks like it's on there pretty good. I hope it is. And I'll show you where we are right now for you wondering. It's a Hilton. But yeah, that's those are all the fire alarm fails that this hotel here, and I thought I would show you this because there's 2 breezeways, and then you have this entire indoor section. So it's a pretty large hotel, but I thought I would show you that because that's a problem. And I've already let management know.